In this video, I am going to show you how to add billing info on WordPress. If you want to add a credit or debit card, click on your profile icon at the top of your WordPress.com dashboard. On the left side, select the Purchases menu option. At the top of the screen, select the Payment Methods tab. Click the Add Payment Method button. On the next page, fill in the card details and choose Payment Method Settings. After you finish, click Save Card. Adding a payment method to your account is only possible for credit card payments. If you wish to add a new PayPal account for future renewals, you can do it from the subscription settings. Any payment method you add to your account is private to you. If you have added another administrator to your site, they cannot view or use your payment information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.